This is a Feldenkrais awareness through movement lesson in high speed. The title of the lesson is Twist Neck. By the way, if you'd like to do the lesson right now, or watch the gist, click the white circled eye icon at the upper right corner. Otherwise, let's watch the lesson quickly. Lie on the back please. Feel the contact with the floor. Feel how far the neck is from the floor. Stand your knees. Interlace your fingers behind the head, not the neck. Lift head very little with hands while closing the elbows, then bring it down to the floor. Repeat this many times. Lift only a little bit. There is no need to lift it high. This is not a crunch for stomach muscles. Rest. Change the interlacing of fingers. Again lift head as before. Rest. Stand knees. Turn the head to the left. Insert right hand into behind the neck. Try to reach left ear. Lift head with the right hand a little bit from the floor toward the center of the body, then bring it down. Use the power of the hand. Try to lessen the use of neck muscles. Slowly with very small lift and bring it down. Rest. How do you feel the neck area? Back to the same configuration. Now, lift head just off the floor and translate it to the right with hand and then come back. So, side bend the neck so that the right side of the body and neck becomes shorter. The head keeps on looking toward the left. Rest. Now on your elbows and knees. Right hand on the left ear over behind the head. The same way we did on the back. Hold it. There is one thing we do before that one. Interlace fingers behind the head. Roll head up and down. Rest. The head to the left. Right hand behind the head. Roll head up and down in this configuration. Rest. In the same configuration, lift head slightly off the floor and translate the head to the right. That means, the right side of the neck and ribs are shortened. Rest. Roll head up and down as before, with hands behind the head. Rest. Go back to on the back. Rest on the back. Do you feel any difference in the neck area? Stand knees. Again, hands behind the head. Lift head with interlaced hands, only a little off the floor. Bring it down to the floor. Head is lifted high when elbows come closer to each other. Rest. Turn your head to the right. With left hand, touch the right ear over behind the head. Lift head from the floor, then bring it down. Lift only a little. What counts is to pay attention to how the neck and spine move. No need to lift head high. Do it slowly. Rest. Stand knees. Again, turn your head to the right. With left hand, touch the right ear over behind the head. Pull the head to the left with the hand. Left side becomes shorter, and then back to the center. Rest. Stand knees. Hands interlaced behind the head. Lift head from the floor. Lift head as elbows come closer to each other. Is your head lighter now, or any other difference you feel? Rest. On your elbows and knees. Roll head up and down with hands interlaced behind the head. Roll it very little. Rest. Turn head to the right. Touch right ear with the palm of the left hand over behind the head. Roll head up and down slightly in this configuration. By turning head to the right, not only neck but also the upper chest is twisted. Rest. In the same configuration, lift head slightly off the floor. Translate it to the left, so that the left side of the neck and ribs become shorter, and then bring it back to the center. Rest. On knees and elbows. Roll the head up and down with hands interlaced behind the head. Rest. Actually, rest on the back. Feel the contact with the floor, again, the neck area, particularly, and the chest area. Feel the difference, again. Interlace your fingers behind the head. Lift head slightly, then bring it down to the floor. Any difference from the beginning of the lesson? Lift head toward the right, and then to the left. Rest. Again hands behind head. Lift head in the center. Again, gradually elbows, particularly left is becoming lighter. Rest. Roll head left and right with hand. Use hand instead of neck muscles.